You know, a well-organized kitchen can save time, reduce clutter, and make cooking a lot more enjoyable. In this video, we're exploring 20 clever Amazon kitchen finds that help maximize storage and keep everything neatly in place. From smart cabinet organizers and fridge storage solutions to pantry upgrades and a few practical kitchen gadgets, these items are designed to make your kitchen feel more efficient and easier to manage. If you want to simplify your kitchen setup, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's jump right in. Now let's jump right in with something incredibly useful for tight kitchen spaces. This pine wood turntable organizer is a simple upgrade that instantly makes cabinets and countertops easier to manage. Instead of digging through crowded shelves, the rotating base lets you spin everything into view with one smooth motion. It works beautifully for spices, sauces, oils, or even small pantry jars, keeping them neatly arranged and easy to reach. The natural pine wood finish also adds a warm, clean look that blends nicely with most kitchens. Most of these organizers typically land around a very approachable $20 to $30, making it an easy organization win. Right after that, let's take a look at something that can completely transform messy utensil drawers. This expandable silverware drawer organizer adjusts to fit different drawer widths, instantly creating dedicated sections for forks, spoons, knives, and cooking tools. Instead of everything sliding around every time you open the drawer, each item stays neatly separated and easy to grab. The wooden design also gives the drawer a much more polished and organized feel compared to plastic trays. It's a simple change that makes everyday kitchen routines feel smoother. Most versions of this adjustable organizer usually fall somewhere around $25 to $35. Moving on to something that spice lovers will definitely appreciate. This rotating spice carousel keeps your favorite seasonings organized and within easy reach. With 12 included spice containers and a smooth spinning base, it makes cooking much more convenient because you can quickly find exactly what you need. The vertical design also saves valuable counter or cabinet space while still holding a generous selection of spices. Instead of scattered jars cluttering shelves, everything stays neatly arranged in one compact station. These carousel spice racks usually come in at a very reasonable $20 to $30. Now, if you prefer a more customizable spice setup, this large set of 48 glass spice jars offers a really satisfying way to organize a full spice collection. Each jar is clear so you can easily see what's inside, and many sets include labels that make everything look incredibly tidy inside cabinets or drawers. It's perfect for anyone who wants their kitchen to feel more organized and visually clean. Once everything is labeled and aligned, cooking becomes surprisingly faster and more enjoyable. Sets like this usually sit in the $25 to $40 range depending on accessories. And speaking of clever space-saving solutions, this adhesive cabinet organizer is a surprisingly versatile addition to any kitchen. It mounts easily inside cabinet doors or on pantry walls, creating extra storage space where you normally wouldn't have any. That makes it perfect for holding cleaning supplies, wraps, small pantry items, or even spice bottles. By using the unused vertical space inside cabinets, it helps keep shelves less crowded and much easier to manage. It's one of those small upgrades that quietly improves daily kitchen organization. Most options typically cost around $15 to $25. Continuing right along, this soda can organizer and dispenser is a simple but surprisingly satisfying upgrade for refrigerator organization. Instead of cans rolling around or stacking unevenly on shelves, this rack keeps them neatly lined up and easy to grab. The angled design automatically rolls the next can forward as soon as one is removed, which makes the fridge feel instantly more organized. It's perfect for soda, sparkling water, or canned drinks, and the compact shape helps maximize shelf space. Small changes like this can make a fridge feel much more structured. Most of these dispensers usually land around $15 to $25. Keeping that fridge organization going, this rolling egg holder is another clever way to tidy up refrigerator shelves. Instead of bulky egg cartons taking up space, this container neatly stacks eggs in rows and gently rolls the next one forward when you take one out. That simple gravity-fed design makes it incredibly easy to grab eggs while keeping everything organized and visible. The stackable structure also helps free up valuable fridge space for other items. It's a small change that can make your refrigerator feel instantly cleaner and more efficient. Most rolling egg containers typically fall around $15 to $25. Moving back into cabinet organization, this pull-out cabinet pots organizer is designed to tackle one of the most frustrating kitchen storage problems: stacked pots and lids. Instead of pulling everything out just to reach the pan at the bottom, the sliding rack lets you glide the entire section forward for easy access. Adjustable dividers keep pots, pans, and lids standing neatly upright, preventing that usual clanging pile. It's especially helpful for deep cabinets where items often disappear in the back. Once installed, cooking prep becomes noticeably smoother. Most pull-out organizers like this usually range around $35 to $50. Right after that, this two-tier rotating pantry organizer takes pantry storage to another level. With a pull-out design and spinning trays, it allows you to easily reach items that would normally get lost in the back of shelves. Sauces, jars, snacks, and pantry staples all stay visible and organized. The double-layer layout also maximizes vertical space, helping you store more without creating clutter. It's especially useful for deep pantry shelves or under-sink cabinets where visibility is often limited. Most rotating pantry organizers like this typically sit around $25 to $40. Now moving along with, this two-tier 360-degree pantry organizer is designed specifically for canned food storage. Instead of stacking cans in messy rows, this rotating rack keeps them neatly arranged while making each one easy to see and grab. The spinning base allows you to quickly rotate the organizer to find what you need, which makes pantry shelves feel far more organized. It's perfect for soups, vegetables, sauces, and other canned goods. Solutions like this make pantry storage much more efficient. Most models usually cost around $20 to $35. And just a quick reminder, every product featured in this video is linked in the description below if you want to check them out. Now moving further into pantry storage with this RockBerry set of 50 food storage containers is a major upgrade for anyone trying to organize dry ingredients. Instead of half-open bags cluttering shelves, these containers keep items like rice, flour, pasta, and snacks sealed and clearly visible. The stackable design also helps maximize cabinet space while keeping everything neatly aligned. Many sets include labels so your pantry instantly looks more organized and easier to manage. Large container sets like this usually come in around $30 to $50, depending on the size variety included. Let's keep in the pantry theme going. This potato and onion storage bin offers a neat and practical way to store everyday vegetables. Instead of leaving them in plastic bags or loose baskets, this container keeps them ventilated and organized in one dedicated spot. The divided design helps separate potatoes and onions while allowing airflow to keep them fresh longer. It's a simple upgrade that makes pantry shelves look much tidier. Most of these storage bins typically fall around $20 to $30, making them an easy organization addition. Right after that, this double-layer bamboo bread box adds both storage and style to the countertop. Instead of bread bags taking up space or getting crushed in cabinets, this box keeps loaves and baked goods protected while staying easy to access. The clear window lets you quickly see what's inside, while the stacked design doubles your storage capacity without using extra counter space. It also blends nicely with most kitchen decor thanks to the natural bamboo finish. Bread boxes like this usually land around $35 to $50. Now continuing with countertop organization, this large dish drying rack is designed to keep post-washing cleanup neat and structured. Instead of plates and cups scattered across towels, the rack provides dedicated slots for dishes, utensils, and glasses. The tiered design allows more items to dry at once while still saving counter space. Many models also include a drip tray to keep water from pooling on the countertop. It's a practical addition for busy kitchens. Most large drying racks typically sit around $25 to $40. And to adding a little style to kitchen storage, this liquor bottle display shelf is a great way to organize bottles while creating a small bar-style display. Instead of bottles crowding a cabinet or countertop, the tiered design keeps everything neatly arranged and easy to see. It works well for liquor, syrups, or even cooking oils. The raised layout also makes it easier to grab the bottle you need while keeping the area looking organized. Shelves like this usually come in around $25 to $40. Moving on, this kitchen baker's rack with a built-in tilting trash bin is a clever way to add both storage and functionality to your kitchen. The multi-tier shelving provides space for microwaves, coffee makers, or pantry items, while the hidden tilting bin keeps trash tucked away yet easy to access. It's a smart combination that helps keep countertops less crowded and kitchens looking more organized. Furniture-style kitchen racks like this typically fall around $80 to $120 depending on size and features. Next up is this elegant glass teapot with a removable infuser, perfect for tea lovers who enjoy both style and convenience. The clear glass design lets you watch the tea steep while adding a clean, modern touch to your kitchen or dining setup. The removable infuser also makes it easy to brew loose-leaf teas without dealing with messy strainers. It's simple, functional, and great for serving guests as well. Most glass teapots like this usually sit around $20 to $35. Keeping the useful kitchen tools coming, this smoothie blender is a great addition for anyone who enjoys quick and healthy drinks. With powerful blending capability, it can easily handle fruits, vegetables, ice, and protein shakes. Many models also come with portable blending cups, making it easy to blend and take your drink on the go. It's a convenient way to simplify breakfast routines or post-workout smoothies. Good quality smoothie blenders generally land around $40 to $70. Now for something a little more fun in the kitchen, this pasta maker machine allows you to create fresh homemade pasta right at home. Instead of relying on packaged pasta, you can roll and cut dough into different pasta shapes with satisfying precision. The adjustable thickness settings let you customize the texture, whether you're making spaghetti, fettuccine, or lasagna sheets. It's a great tool for anyone who enjoys cooking from scratch. Pasta machines like this usually fall around $35 to $60. And finally, wrapping up the list with this rotating grain dispenser designed to make dry food storage much easier to manage. With 6 separate compartments, it keeps grains, beans, cereals, or snacks neatly organized while allowing you to dispense portions with a simple press. The transparent container makes it easy to see when supplies are running low, and the sealed design helps keep food fresh longer. It's a neat upgrade for pantry organization. These dispensers typically come in around $25 to $40. And that wraps up these 20 smart Amazon kitchen finds to help keep your kitchen organized and efficient. If any of these caught your attention, you'll find all the product links down in the description. And for more smart home finds like these, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.